This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Stacy Pietrusensky. Welcome to this wonderful 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath transitional home located in the sought-after Summerlake Shores neighborhood. Fantastic floor plan, perfect for both everyday living and entertaining. New luxury vinyl plank flooring flows seamlessly throughout the first floor, offering durability and style. Thoughtfully updated, this home provides a warm, inviting atmosphere with modern comforts. Stainless steel kitchen appliances and renovated bathrooms, to name a few. Enjoy the abundant natural light while relaxing on the cozy window seat in the living room. Unwind in the inviting family room west/lovely gas fireplace and built-ins. The primary suite includes a private ensuite bath, creating a perfect retreat. With 3 additional bedrooms, there's plenty of space for family, guests, or even a home office. The laundry room completes the upstairs. Enjoy a cup of coffee or glass of wine on your private back deck with wooded view. Amazing location, minutes from everything Newport News has to offer. October 29, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Stacy Pietrusensky at 757-220-9500.